The title of this is How Do We Cultivate Curiosity? And I think the word cultivate is important.
Yeah.
We've talked a lot about how do we inhibit curiosity? How do we liberate curiosity? How do we encourage curiosity? But I think how we cultivate curiosity leads us to say it's like creativity. It's not just something that you have to, getting out of the way is a necessary, but it's not a completely sufficient answer. How do we have creativity, or how do we have curiosity? So getting out of the way of it is a really important start. But then as you, particularly I'm thinking about the secondary curriculum, as you move up through the curriculum into university and on in maybe into different kind of research contexts or business problem solving contexts, developing the craft of curiosity, of how you know, what is it to be a good inquirer, a good researcher, to ask good questions, to understand what a good question is like in science and how that might be different from what a good question is like for a poet, to begin to build that sophistication. And you can begin to do that quite deliberately, even in, you know, in the context of the different subjects, I think is really important. So I think, yes, let's liberate, let's encourage, let's articulate, let's create the language set up. But then particularly as we go up through school, I think there's more that we could do to be purposeful about these things. When I was thinking about this